Hey there, kids. Welcome to Happy Kiddo. Let's begin today's video.
Begin by gathering the required materials for drawing. Essential tools include paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Optional coloring supplies can be prepared for later use. Lightly sketch a large oval to represent Stitch's body. Sketch a smaller circle for the head, slightly overlapping the body oval. These basic shapes establish the foundation for Stitch's structure and proportions. Begin by using the initial shapes as a guide for outlining Stitch's form. Define the large ears, rounding the tops for a characteristic look. Ensure the ears are proportionally sized to the head for accuracy. Sketch the outline of Stitch's body, adding slight curves. These curves represent the character's posture and overall form. Create a smooth transition between the head and body with connecting lines. Facial features are added to bring Stitch to life. Large, expressive eyes, a wide nose, and a mischievous grin are drawn. Details such as tufts of fur on the head and chest are included. The positioning of the arms and legs is sketched to indicate Stitch's pose and add dimension. Line work refinement is essential for a polished drawing. The initial sketch is traced over with a darker pencil or pen. This defines the final outlines of the artwork. Key features are emphasized to enhance visual impact. Unnecessary guidelines and sketch marks are erased for clarity. Line thickness is adjusted to add depth and visual interest to the drawing. The final step involves adding color to complete the illustration. Select appropriate colors for the character's fur, eyes, and other details. Employ shading techniques to introduce depth and dimension. Shading enhances the illustration, making it more realistic and visually appealing. Experiment with various coloring styles to achieve the desired artistic effect. Vibrant hues can bring the character to life, adding personality and charm.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Do not forget to give this video a like and to subscribe to the channel so you will be notified when new videos are published. And be sure to check out our other videos.